Hi, folks. How are you all doing today? So let's see and understand how exactly we have to start off creating a square pattern today. Okay, so we're not doing it on Artist Lab. Actually, in the last session you might have seen, we were in the end of the course project, right? So we were in lesson 18, right? I'm into that. We had multiple options, no? So in that I'm again I'm just choosing the second option where we had to create a pattern. Okay, so let's see and understand how to create a pattern, right? Today we'll be creating a square pattern. Okay, so we know how to develop a square, right? So let's first create a square. Okay, and then think of how exactly we can go about that, right? First thing, let's click on loops because square has four sides, right? So repeat four times. Okay, actions move forward by 100 pixels, so I just want to draw a 100 pixel square, so that's why. Okay, and then turn right. So after moving forward, we can turn right. Okay. So turn right by 90 degrees to draw a square. No. So that's it. Let's see. Yes, this is one square, right? Uh, Similarly, to draw, let's go to brushes. So we can also set a random color, right? So let's just, okay, now it is in green color. We can repeat this complete thing again and again, right? To create a complete square pattern. Okay. So what I will do, I will just click on loops. I'll get another repeat loop. Okay. So let's place it into this. If you're not getting any of these or you think that I'm going so fast, don't worry. We have already discussed about all these things in our previous videos, right? So please do check out all of them so that you can understand this more better. All right. I'm just going so fast because you already know about the repeat loop. You already know about move forward block, turn right block, and all, right? So yeah, do watch my other series also. There are so many series which we have in our Folks Up channel, right? So we have multiple videos on patterns. We have app development videos, web development videos, and so on, right? So please do check out all those things. Okay. Coming back to this thing now, like if you're first time here, so then you can also subscribe and do like to all my videos. Okay, subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub, right? So how many times we do have to repeat this? I want to draw it 360 times, okay? Like the complete angle, right? So that's why I'm just writing 360. So if you want to draw something 360 times, right? Or you can also say 180 times. Okay. What I will do, I'll just turn 2 degrees. Okay. That is fine, right? So I'll just go to actions and I'll turn right by 2 degrees. Okay. So I will show you what happens with 360 first. Then I will do this. So I'm turning right by 1 degree and I'm drawing another square. Drawing another square. Okay. Let's reset and run. You can see it's just drawing everything just one beside the other like that, right? So it's quite like they are very nearer to each other, very close to each other basically, right? So but this is looking good and fine, but yeah, we can make it more appealing by using 180 times also. Okay, I'll show that also. Okay, whichever you like, you can actually keep that. Keep experimenting, keep exploring on all these things, right? So you can see this is creating a very good pattern, but it never, I mean, no one can understand that we have created this using a square, right? So it's like that. They are very close to each other. I hope if you have been seeing my other pattern videos, we created a lollipop kind of a pattern, right? So it seems to be like that, no? I feel it. This is cool. As you can see, this is something really cool and it looks so different, right? And no one can understand that we have created this using a square until and unless they see this square, right? Okay, so let's check the same thing with the width. So I'll set width as 1. Okay, let's check it out. This will have a different look and feel. It's almost the same, but you can see the width is changing, right? So definitely it is having a different appeal. Just see the thing. It's like it's so nice to see. It's so satisfying to see this, right? To see this draw so many squares one upon each other, and you can also see they're like threads, right? So drawing one upon each other, one upon each other. It's like so satisfying to look at. It's pretty cool. You can see how fast this is executing, right? See? Oh my god, this is cool. Absolutely cool, right? What if we say 180 times, okay, turning 2 degrees each time? So 180 multiplied by 2 will give you 360, right? So it is, however, drawing a circle kind of a pattern itself, okay, with squares. But this will actually have some gap between, right? So that you can understand. So using which shape you are drawing this thing, okay? So this has a little different look and feel, right? You can now differentiate between the lines at least. Okay, there are few lines there, right? So it's like that. Okay. However, the pattern is the same thing itself, right? But now this is more like a like lines. You can see the lines and you can differentiate between them. So I feel this is more good, right? And you can also like change this number to other number, like 360 divided by 3, whatever is the value, you can do using that also. Okay, like so just do 360 degrees is the complete angle, right? However, we want it to complete this thing, right? So 360 divided by 3, like if I turn with 3 degrees, then what will happen, right? So 3 twos and 3 zeros. So it's 120 degrees. Okay. Let's, sorry, 120 times. Let's say 120 times and 3 degrees. Okay. Let's check it out. Now you can see it has more gap. Okay. Now you can actually differentiate between the lines properly, right? This will also create something similar kind of a pattern only. Definitely. Of course, right? We have not changed anything else. So we're just changing the number of lines, which is a drawing, and then the degrees also, right? Now this has a very good look and feel, I think. Yeah, because the circle is also having the gap. Along with that, the all these edges also have some gap, right? This looks like a cool pattern which is being created here, right? So you can also increase the size here, like 200 pixels. Okay, this will create a bigger square. It will cover the entire screen, and this has, you can see this has more gap also because of the size, right? You can now only see the circle which is being created but not the other part, right? So this is also this looks good, but you can only see the circle being created. That is the only thing, right? So if we just say 150, then you should see the other thing also. Yeah, yeah. So along with the circle, you'll now also see this pattern which is after the circle forming, right? Okay. So you can go with this also. Cool. Right. This is also nice. Yeah. And what if we just say 130 pixels? That should draw a little smaller square. And now you will see the complete pattern forming. Okay. Yeah. You can see it is within the canvas actually, right? Not only being within the canvas, and it is also showing the complete pattern, right? So this is cool. Okay, nice. I like it. Yeah. So like you can, I'll just show you by increasing the size. See, this is how it is. Okay, this is nice. I'll reset the size now. Okay. Yes, this is cool. And what else you can do or you can experiment on this is with still less number of times and more number of degrees, right? So 360 divided by 4 should give you 4. So let's do this. 360 divided by 4 once 4 nines 36. Yeah, it's 90 degrees. Okay, let's write 90 times and then 4 degrees. We should have more gap now. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, of course. So this is more simplistic in nature, right? So this is actually creating this kind of a pattern, right? What if like you do 89 degrees here? So that will have a different kind of look. Okay, so it will give a different look and feel. Like you can see, it's just drawing it continuously like this, right? Oh my god, this is completely different, which I was expecting. Yeah, this completely became a square spiral kind of a pattern, right? Okay, oh my god. Okay, I did not really expect this thing to happen. Okay, uh, let's check it out with 91 degrees maybe. Oh, okay. This is completely different again. Yeah. I mean, this is also cool. Not bad, right? Not bad, not bad. This is also cool. Yes, but yes, the look and feel are now different, right? So you can see something like a here there's some change. Yes, so here you can see overlaps also, right? But when we were drawing the square, there were no overlaps like this, right? So yeah, you can experiment like this also. Okay, whichever pattern you like, you can absolutely use that, right? So because this is your project, no, you can do it any way you want. Okay, so I'm just clicking on finish and then click on finish. So I'll be redirected to this one. So we were trying to do this and we did this one also, right? So then you can also try this thing like a frozen project, right? So it's up to you like how you want to do this. It's not like necessarily you have to do this, but yeah, this is also a square pattern only, right? But a rhombus shaped patterns are forming over here. Like that means tilted squares are forming, right? So they are tilted into some degrees and then they have formed this one. Okay. So you can draw this and then you can click on finish. That's how it is. Like in the last session, also I got this, and now also I will be getting this. So, however, you can actually do that and complete it. Okay. So this was all about our today's session. Hopefully, you enjoyed this session and you enjoyed creating this pattern, right? I'll be meeting you all guys in the next video. Okay. Till then, you know what you have to do. You have to keep watching Folks Hub, and yes, keep supporting me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Please do like, comment, share also, right? So I'll be meeting you in the next video. Bye bye guys, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video.